khale ka President Jacob Zuma u sungule ku tirhela xigwevo xa yena xa khume ntlhanu wa tinhweti hi Mawuwani ku va a nyatse khoto. A pfaleriwe ekhotsweni ra KZN. N'hweti leyi nga hundza u vuye amukeriwa exibedhlele ku ya endliwa vuhandzuri. Mahungu ya ku humesiwa ka yena hi paroli kokwalaho ka xiyimo xo biha xa rihanyu swi tiyisise mavonelo yo hambanahambana kusuka eka mavangi ya tipolitiki ni le ka vaaki. Eswitarateni swa le Durban vaaki va humesele erivaleni mavonelo ya vona.
I believe President Zuma should not have been in jail in the first place, and the fact that he's had to be released on medical parole just shows that our justice system could do with a little bit of expanding.
Actually quite glad he got medical parole. To be honest, you know, I've got a father his age, a little bit older, and I wouldn't like to think of an elderly person sitting in those cells and stuff.
Hambiswiritano, van'wana va na mavonelo yo hambana eka mhaka leyi.
There is no one above justice. And it's not like he's the only prisoner that gets sick. They get sick, they go to hospitals and come back.
I think all of us should be treated equally here. If we did a crime, we should do the time.
In Northern Cape, vaaki van'wana va humesele erivaleni ku hlundzuka ka vona mayelana na ku humesiwa ka Zuma hi paroli. Va vula leswaku vululami byi khomise tiko tingana.
This trial took for years, and now that it's finally got to an end, he now is on medical bail. What's the use of this justice system of South Africa? It's useless.
It happens with Shabira Sheikh. The same thing, it repeats itself. Now we cannot say we are happy to see this, that President Zuma is coming out.
Loko swa hetetano, eswitarateni swa Joni na kona mavonelo ya hambanile. Van'wana va tshemba leswaku swi kahle ku va Jacob Zuma a humesiwe hi paroli swivangelo swa rihanyu ro biha, kambe van'wana a va twani na swona leswi.
People in their higher positions in the ANC can't be arrested. That's why he's on a medical parole.
If he can't even be arrested and given the trial or what he deserves, how can we trust that anybody else can be protected in a sense?
We have lost confidence way back in this justice system. What happened is just a political move.
I do have confidence in this justice system. I believe that it is right that he's released because Zuma fought for us.
It's unfair because he must be punished. If it was one of us, we will sit.
Khale ka President Jacob Zuma wa ha ri exibedhlele.